CRX blew a rod bearing or something, we think. I have a video of it.
This is how you rebuild them.
This is how you do it without a hoist.
You can like almost stand underneath the thing and work on it.
We could go higher if we wanted to.
Man, she's not even maxed out.
Not even close.
No. Exhausto delete. Hey there.
Hi.
Hey.
Don't mind me. Just cut.
Oh.
Oh, the car's going higher. You're not making much progress.
We need sawzall blades.
We've known this. Hey, Kate. Hey, honey. Honey boo boo.
I'm drunk. Why am I not using a torch?
Yeah, that's like here, buddy. I had the spray for that is right here. I got you, brother.
Do shades.
Do shades, installed, turn the acetylene on, and I'll make you go boom boom.
Hey, my finger's normal again.
Not an oil pan either.
You got piston coming.
Yeah.
Does GoPro like the chunks of molten metal flying at it?
We'll find out. My hand doesn't.
Neither does your face either. He's got my juice shades, so I can't see.
I can't either. I'm walking through the camera.
Yeah, it looks like Albert Einstein right now. There you go. Give those a little fucking GoPro.
Almost there.
You guys want us to take on the torch anything? Oh, yeah, it's not hooked on by anything. Top to top, you're actually exhausted in the floorboard. GMT 400? GMT 400?
Mint exhaust pipe. Doesn't work with a fucking oxygen.
Oh, that's how she bent. This came out the 400.
Oh.
Yeah. I had 90 on there so it wouldn't blow.
Still can't see.
Okay.
Now just pull this bracket off, drain the oil, pull the pan off.
Yeah, here's the fucking GMT 400 exhaust. This thing was man. At one point in life.
Get the money shot. Make sure that's on the money shot too.
Yeah, it wasn't. It might still not be. Oh, what?
That's no metal at all.
Tate, it's still mint. There's no fucking metal in the oil.
Yeah, that's weird.
Like none.
Well, that was a gay money shot.
Kinda. The chain click made me happy there. Oh, did you show YouTube how we're holding this up?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
We always prioritize safety. So.
Yes, we do. That's why it's held up by a nice chain. And a very healthy cherry picker.
I didn't show that.
Oh. The re-welded. The bend on the end of the... We only have the half-ton setting, so we couldn't even do the safe if we wanted.
No nut. Barely a nut. Leaking hydraulic oil.
It has all the 4 pins again. I don't know where the fuck they came from.
But hey, it's holding the car.
You should. It did not hold much oil.
No, I mean they usually don't.
The bearing.
Yeah.
All right.
Everywhere.
There's There's the bearing.
See all the metal there? Number 2 rod. Come on, Timmy.
Oh,
So that's a culprit. All the other ones are good, just that one.
we can make one. In all reality, you should have a strap of leather. That's how they did this back in the day. You throw a strap of leather and then run it for another 100 thou.
Well, if we pull this
Girdle thing.
off,
That might be the
and
main
pull that rod
caps.
cap off.
That's the mains.
That is
That
weird.
is.
Interesting Honda things. We do need to clean the pickup tube before you run it again.
Yeah. Pickup tube is completely full of shit. Alright, here's another cap we just pulled off. It's not nearly as bad as another one, but it is shot. The brass is all gone in it. I mean, what do you expect? It has literally 500,000 miles on it. And it was seeing 7,000 RPM. So we're just gonna throw all new rod bearings in it, try and polish this crank up, and
Adrian's not me.
run it. Don't let this little shit stop you.
I got left on. We can't precision measure this bitch. But we can measure it just by feel.
Just because you have rod knock doesn't mean it's not salvageable. At least for a little bit.
Yeah, don't try that at home, but
Really, the only way to fix this right would be put a new crank in it. But we're not pulling the tranny, so
yeah.
we're just gonna try and fix it quick. Just so it can run through tough trucks.
I'm gonna fucking throw this on here.
But yeah, main bearings look amazing on it. So yeah, that's that. Found out the damage.
That crank's unhappy.
We'll get it back up and running. Not today, but
Yeah, no.
whenever we have parts.
Plus 350 rod bearings fit.
We can try.
We've got
We can trim them down. Alright, well, I think that's going to do it for this video. Probably a short video, but oh well.
cranks still